So you got a fro, or you had a fro, and now you considering getting waves? Stay tuned, because I'm going to tell you exactly how to get waves after a fro. What's good, notification gang? It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, and if you're new to my channel and you want to learn how to get waves, be sure to hit the subscribe button right now and click the bell so you don't miss another video. When you're going from an afro to waves, the first thing you have to do is cut your afro down to a 1.5. A 1.5 is a 1 guard open, which means the adjustable level is away from the main blade. That's a 1.5. And the reason why you want to get a 1.5 is it's because you want to start training your hair at a lower length. You want to start training your hair at a lower length first. And then through that process, you'll start whipping. I'll talk a little more about whipping as this video go on. I also have a video about whipping. You can click the link right there and check that video out. But yeah, but now that you got that cut that you need with a 1.5, now you want to consider getting a brush. I recommend you getting a medium brush. Only because a medium brush you can use on a fresh cut and during your whipping stages. Like I said, we'll talk a little bit more about whipping in a minute. But yeah, you want to make sure you got a medium brush. Okay, next, now you want to get some grease. I recommend you getting 360 style or sporting waves. Or some type of pomade, but I'm going to let you decide that. Just make sure you got some grease. Now you're going to need a do-rag. If you have to make a decision on to get a do-rag or some grease, get the do-rag. Only because you gonna need a do-rag. You don't need grease to get waves, but you gonna need a brush and a do-rag to get waves. Because after you brush, you wanna save that progress with a do-rag. A do-rag when getting waves is like a memory card. After you go hard with that brush and you just put in all that work, you wanna save that progress with a do-rag. You don't wanna lose no progress. And that leads me to my next topic, which is brushing. How long do you want to brush a day when getting waves? I recommend you brush as much as you can, or at least an hour a day. But Drizzle,
ain't nobody got time for that.
Make time. An hour a day? You got 24 hours in a day, and you can't make time to brush your hair for 1 hour? Man, go on get out the video, man, because you ain't trying to get waves, man. I'm done, man. But now, man, you gotta make time when you trying to get waves, man. If you want waves like this right here, you want waves like this, man, it's not gonna be easy, man. Now that we got that out the way, after you decide you're gonna put in that work, now let's talk about whipping. Whipping is basically growing your hair out for a couple weeks. I recommend you start off no more than 4 weeks when you first starting to get waves. Then you can move on to 6 weeks and 8 weeks and so on. But while you growing your hair out, man, you putting in that work, man. You putting in that work. You ain't just slacking off. You brushing your hour a day. You brushing at least an hour a day. Brush, brush, brush. You do that and I guarantee you'll have waves in no time, man. And yeah, man, that's pretty much how you get waves after a pro. If you find this video helpful, and you learned something, smash the like button, man. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, be sure to hit the subscribe button right now and click the bell so you don't miss another video. It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, and I'm out of here.